Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Felicidaria Padilla, 42 years old. I am married of Romeo Padilla. I have 3 children, 18 years old, 16 years old, and 6 years old. My height is 5'3 centimeter. My weight is 56 kilogram. I finished my study in high school. I have other educational like TESDA training, NC2 as a driving, and OAP. I work as a household, a nanny, and local to Mr. and Mrs. Sink for 2 years. There are 3 members in the family, 2 adults and 1 baby. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, and marketing. I take good care of the baby like changing their diaper, bottle feeding, and bath them. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and have a better living to support my family. I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. I am also willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. To my becoming employer, I promise I finish my 2 years contract with you. I am willing to renew my contract when needed. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.